Welcome Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about join. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? You can check from a Snowflake playlist in my channel. And this is my Snow site web UI. One request viewer, please subscribe this channel and like this video. So let's start with join. First, understand types of join. Join is simply displaying data from multiple tables. Here is the definition. A join is a way of combining row from two or more tables based on common column or condition. Snowflake support the following types of join. Inner join, outer join. Outer join is also three types: left join, right join, full outer join, and third is cross join, fourth is natural join, fifth is self join. We will learn all these join, but in this video we learn only inner join. In upcoming video we learn all remaining join in more details. So let's understand inner join. This join return only the row that match the condition in both tables. Simply include only the matching row. Suppose this is table A and this is table B, and this is the data of table A and this is the data of table B, and this portion is matching in both tables, so it returns only these results common in both tables. Let's understand by example. Let's create employee table. Here is the employee ID, data type int, employee name, data type varchar, department ID, data type integer. Create this, click here to create table, inserting some value, control enter to run this statement, displaying some data. This is the employee records. Copy this into Excel to understand inner join. Okay. Now let's create department table. Has department ID and department name as a column of department table. Integer is data type and varchar is department name data type. Click here to execute, inserting some value into department table, displaying department table. This is the records of department table. This is the null value. This is also null value. Now in this query we join. I am selecting employee ID from employee table, employee name from employee table, and department name from department table. We are selecting these column from two tables. First, these two column from employee table, and third, department name from department table. Here I am putting E as a alias name, so here E dot employee ID, E dot employee name, and D is the alias of department name. So here putting D dot department name, and here is the syntax of inner join. Here put inner join, after that putting department table, and D is the department name, and on after that common column. Here is the department ID is the common column. Here department ID is the common column of both table. So name is maybe different, but this is the value is common in both table. So if I execute this statement, you can see the result here, displaying the employee ID, employee name from employee table, and department name from the department table. You can see here. Now you can see we combine the two table by using inner join. Let's understand this into Excel. This is the common column of both table. Okay, here employee ID 1 has department ID 101, so it's join with 101 and retrieve department name HR. Employee ID 2 has department ID 102, so it's join with department table and retrieve department name as a engineering. Okay, as shown here HR coming two times because employee ID 3 has also department ID 101, so it's joined with this one. Okay, so it's include only matching row from department table. Here department employee ID has 7, has department ID 100, and 100 is not found in department table, so it's not displaying here. And also see, employee ID 6 has department ID null value, and here also is null value, but it not join with null to null, because while joining, null value always ignore while joining. So this is most important here point to this is most important point. Null value always ignore while joining. Okay, and also asks in interview. So please note in mind, it's not combined anyway. Here you cannot see null value also. This is you can see practically. Okay, now let's understand duplicate scenario. Here I am inserting duplicate value in to employee table. So if I execute this statement, run this query. Now order by first means employee ID. Now let's copy this into Excel. Inserting into department table duplicate value as well. Order by 1. Execute this statement. Copy as a text. This is null value. This is also null value. Now we are combining department ID and department ID as a condition. Inner joining here. Here I am selecting same as above query, but now this table has contained duplicate value. So if I execute this statement, you can see the result. Okay, let's understand this sort this. Okay, here employee ID 1 coming 4 times, this coming 4 times, because employee ID has 1 2 times and department ID here also 2 times. So first record join with first one, it's also join with second one, it's true value. Now second value, second row, same join with this one and same join with this record, because duplicate value, so it's coming 2 more times, total 4 times, 4 2, this one and this one and this one times, this one and this one more times, then combining all records become 4 times. Okay, so it's coming 4 times. This duplicate value asks by interviewer, so understand one more times. Here let's see, here it's coming 2 times, because here is the 2 duplicate value and department ID has 102, here is the only one time, so it's combined with this one coming, sorry, it's combined here one time first, again search here cursor one more times 102, so it's always join again, here it's coming one more times. Here department 3 coming 4 times, so department 3 has 2 duplicate value and 101 has also 2 duplicate value, so it's become in this scenario, so it's coming 4 times. Now employee ID 4 has department ID 103, here single value, so it's coming single value, same as employee ID 5, and employee ID 6 no matching value, so not coming 6 here. Here 7 is also not matching value, and 100 is not in department ID, so it's ignore while inner joining, and null value ignore always. We talk already this point, null value. That's all about inner join. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.